Hey guys, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or shut down your iPhone. This method has changed if you have used previous generation of iPhones, and this is why we're making this video. We're going to show you guys two ways to do it. One with the actual physical button, and the other one actually if your physical buttons aren't working or something happened, we'll show you guys how to do it in the actual software as well. But before we go ahead and get started, if you guys are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech news reviews and giveaways, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. And to show you guys how this is done, pretty simple. For what you're gonna do is hold this side button. This is a big button on your right side of the phone, and then on the left side here you're gonna see that volume up button. You're gonna want to hold these two buttons at the same time. So to demonstrate for you guys, I'm gonna press and hold at the same time. And once I do that, you'll notice you'll get this menu pop up with slide to power off, SOS for emergency, and you can also cancel. So we don't want to do any of that. We're just going to slide this and it will shut off the phone. But we don't want to do that. To show you guys, that's one way to do it. The second method here to show you guys is we're going to simply go into settings. If your buttons aren't working, you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to general, and then scroll all the way to the bottom, and there's a shutdown by the actual software. You can click on that, and same, this menu will pop up, this time without the emergency, and we can slide it to power off. So two methods: go into setting, general, and then shut down, or just hold the side button here on your right and the volume up on the left at the same time, and we're going to press and hold, and we're going to go ahead and power off the device. So that's how you do it. If you hold just the side button, you'll probably get like a Siri pop-up come up, and it's not going to shut down, which in the older phones, that's how you would shut down. This was the power button, but the name of this button has actually changed, and the function of it is now the side button. You can also change that in your settings, but by default it doesn't shut down the phone. And once it's shut down, of course, you can hold just the side button and it will power the phone back on. So you do have to wait, and then once you see the Apple logo, let go of the phone, and that's how you can power on the phone. If the button is not working, another quick tip for you guys to power on the button is that if you plug it into a charger, it will actually boot the phone on, if considering there's no issues, or if there's no issues with the phone, it will power on for you guys. So hopefully these tips were helpful. If these tips were helpful, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.